Hi, I'm Maria from Crochet A to Z, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. And if you have, thank you. I want to thank everyone that's here today. And every time I put out a new video, I really appreciate you being here. And I want to thank you all for subscribing. I want to thank you for being part of this great community. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. And before I go on, I also want to wish everybody happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah to those who have celebrated, Happy Kwanzaa, and hope you have a wonderful holiday season. So I wanted to say that before I get started because I don't want to leave that out for the end. So I wanted to show you this next great pattern that I have, and it is another cross pattern. I got so many great feedback from the other cross pattern and emails that I wanted to do another one because they're just beautiful. And I said, let's do another one. Why not? Let's put it in before the end of this holiday season and the new year begins. And I chose this one. It's really pretty. It's easy. I'm going to go slow so you can follow along, grab your yarn, and let's do this together.